This is the Orbit digital hose timer that I got. I have mine hooked up to my sprinkler, so that's why there's different valves after it. To reduce the pressure, you got to have those on for your sprinkler system, so I have those on. This has a manual bypass. You set everything. It's very simple, very easy to do. Off is off. How often? You just set how often. I have it every 2 days. How long? 20 minutes. Simple. Start time, mine is at 6 a.m. Set clock, you gotta set it. It's 8:31 a.m. right now. And auto. And that's it, it's set. We're gonna do a manual. I'm gonna show you what the manual does. Just because I want to see it on one of my plants. That's too many minutes. Let's lower this down. You just lower it to how many minutes you want it to do. 2 minutes. And then it'll kick right on. Boom. That's it. It's on. It's gonna go on for 2 minutes. There's one of my sprinklers that are just dripping out. And that's it. One of my sprinklers coming out. Just wanted to set that, that's why. So it counts down. Now it's only 1 minute left. Yeah, I probably should have set it for 1 minute, but I wanted to check. And I have it on, obviously you see all these valves on mine, because I have different hookups. Well, this is just to water my plant. Usually I put a hose on there as well, so I'm not hurting my hand. And then I have that elbow coming out as well, so I'm not hurting my hand against the house. So that kind of helps. Going off any minute. Hopefully that's it. Now it's off, turned off, good to go. That's just a little review of the Orbit digital timer, hose timer that I got. Does its job, works very well for me. Make sure you take it inside the house in the wintertime when it gets cold. Otherwise it'll just break. It's only made for a couple, 9 months, I guess, 8 months out of the year. The other, as soon as it drops into the 30s, I would bring this thing into the house right away, because mine already broke very quickly in the cold, and for no reason. That was just stupid. So that's it. Thank you.